Northern Garden Update. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Welcome back, Rebel Canners. I'm out in the garden and I just wanted to give you a quick video garden update. And look at that apple tree. Oh my gosh, and look at the garden. All right, I'm just gonna take you on a little walkthrough and show you what the garden's been up to while I've been gone. So, I don't know if I showed you in the last garden update, but there are the potatoes, still going good. Okay, squash is now in blossom. It's been 2 weeks since I updated. They are getting huge. There's the onion row. Green beans. More green beans. And yet another row of green beans. And a couple more. Got some more squash plants going. Nice row of carrots. And look at these tomatoes. They are in blossom. And somewhere down here, we've even got some little green tomatoes coming on. Peppers are looking pretty good. Oh, you got one? Don't touch. There we go. See those? And those. Let me take you over. The arch has been installed on the trellis garden, and oh my gosh, look at all of these. There's a green tomato in there. They are huge. And the pepper plants in front right there. Let me get back so you can see it with the arch. All right,
They're just now getting their bloom thing.
yep, lots of tomato blooms. It's going to be wonderful. Oh, the cucumbers. Did I miss the cucumbers? They are starting to be trained to go up and over the trellis. So that is exciting. All right. There you go on the garden update. So this is my container garden. This is sort of like the plant nursery and waiting room. When it's looking for a place to go into the ground and it hasn't quite found one yet, just wanted to share this with you as well. I hope you enjoyed my little video garden update. I'm going to keep you posted as we go along this summer, and then, as always, give you recipes to use with it. So, I hope you enjoy, and I will see you back in the next video. Be sure you're subscribed. Don't forget the like button, and I'll see you soon, Rebel Canners. As always, can all you can. Hey, be sure you're subscribed, because sometimes YouTube does some funny things with that. And be sure to hit the like button on your way out. Thanks.